Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Listen, you guys are amazing. Seriously, I love you guys. I am blown away by how giving and selfless each and every one of you are. Even just spending time with me, because I know you get so much in your day trying to find time to hang out with me. I know it's tough. There's a lot of YouTubers that I wish I had a chance to watch their shows every day. Just life gets busy. And then some of you take it even a step further, and you help support the show. For those of you that have done the buy me a coffee thing, just blown away, blown away. I can't believe how many of you have stepped up to do that. Thank you. And if I haven't already yet, I will respond to each and every one of you. And not only the gift itself, but also these messages of gratitude to me, when it's really me who should be grateful to you. So thank you so very much. When I receive gifts in the mail, it still blows my mind, and my wife is like blown away too. We're just like so humble. So thank you very much. Went to the post office today, opened it up, and I had 3 keys in there, because we only have a small box, letter size box. So if there's anything bigger than that, they give you a key that you can take to the bigger box. And there was 3 keys in there, 3 packages from 3 of you guys. And I just want to say thank you again. And we're going to unbox all of this, or unpackage it. I did open everything a little bit. I wanted to make sure that I got anything personal, names and addresses off, just to protect anybody's privacy. And I tried not to look too much about what was inside, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So this package is from Finland, I believe. I saw there was a flexi disc here, so let's see what it is. This is so cool. Look at this. 120 all-time hits. And I can't even read the rest, which is awesome. By the way, have you guys tried that Google Translate app? That is scary. It's amazing. You pointed at something in another language, and it doesn't just tell you what it says, but it changes what you see through the camera to whatever language you want. So in this case, if I pointed up here, it would change it to English in the same color and everything. What's amazing, though, is it would change it to English, and you wouldn't see this anymore. You would just see the English as though it was originally printed in English. So that is super cool. We're going to do a show on all of these things. I'm really excited because I have no idea what this is. I know it's a stereo 33. I know it's a flexi disc. It's cool because it's translucent. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's slightly clear. This is so cool. That is awesome. Thank you so very much. That is just awesome. I cannot wait. That is so cool. That is so cool. We'll definitely have to check that out. All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so this one, I think I know. So this has some Glenn Miller in it. And boy, do you know the way to my heart. So one of you reached out recently and included a personal letter, which I have pulled out. But I did read it. This is from Avatar 610 on YouTube, who has been one of my good friends for a long time on here. A lot of participation, and had a couple extra Glenn Miller records and asked if I'd be interested, and absolutely I am. And they're very unique. They're very interesting. Let me show you what we got here. This is so... And by the way, you sent me Glenn Miller records. Holy cow, that is so incredibly nice. And I am just grateful. Never in a million years when I started this channel did I ever think that this kind of stuff would happen. So this is the This Is Glenn Miller album, LPM 1190. And this is one that I have, which the person knew. But what's unique about this is it's sealed. Look at that. It is completely sealed. And on the back there, I did compare it with my other copy, which is old and scratched. And this one is completely sealed. So the question is, what am I going to do with this? Am I going to leave it sealed? Or am I going to open it? Comment down below what you think I'm going to do. I'll wait for a second. I like doing this. I know if it's annoying to you, you don't have to participate. But hit pause right now. Let me know down below. Am I going to open it, or am I going to display it? Because it is unopened. Okay, did you vote? Okay, if you did, we're going to find out. If not, that's okay. I'm going to open it. Why am I going to open it? Because how many times can I say that I've opened a brand new Glenn Miller record? This would be the first. I don't think I've ever opened a brand new Glenn Miller record, and I want to share that moment with you guys. You know, when it comes to this kind of stuff, it's not a monetary value thing. It's a historical value thing. But what really, and I was literally thinking about this on the way home from the post office. I was like, well, should I open it or should I keep it closed? And here's my deciding factor. How many times am I going to get to try out, play, to listen to a Glenn Miller record that's brand spanking new? This would be the first. Oh, that's interesting. No sleeve or anything. Really interesting. I have never had a brand new Glenn Miller record. Every one I've had is used. So this is, what is the date on this? This is, it's not 56. I don't think, I'd have to date this. That's a 70s RCA logo, so I would guess this would be in the 70s sometime. Yeah, I don't see any date. Anyhow, sometimes I put the date in the run-out group. 74? I don't know. Anyhow, it's been in the package for a long time, so we got a little bit of packing dust in there, but the record, brand new, unplayed. This is interesting, though. It didn't have a sleeve. Was that a thing? Did they send records out that, by the way, do you know that I never read the edges of records? A lot of them don't even have that little edge, but that's one reason why my records are stored in crates like when you're at the store, because I just never have been an edge reader. Yeah. There's a little piece of the plastic that's kind of statically charged in there, just slid in there. Was that pretty common that they didn't put a sleeve on there? That's interesting. I'm going to put that right inside an anti-static sleeve. That is so cool. Brand new, old stock copy of This Is Glenn Miller. I cannot wait to put that on the LP7 and listen to it with the best stylus, the best speakers, the best everything. And this is super cool too. I cannot believe you guys. This is so awesome. So this is an English import. Ember Records International Limited. 20th Fox. Ultraphonic High Fidelity. Released by special arrangement with RCA Victor and the Glenn Miller Estate. Oops. I want to make sure you can see that there. And what's really special about this is, besides the fact that it's imported, I mean, I think that's so cool. But the fact that the content on here is from the movies, I should say. Glenn Miller made 2 movies, Orchestra Wives and Sun Valley Serenade. Great movies if you like big band music. Especially Sun Valley Serenade. I've been to Sun Valley. I think we did a show about it when I was up there a few years ago. Did I do a show about that? But anyway, a lot of the filming locations are intact up there. They've got, they play the movie on a certain channel in the hotel that you can check out. But anyway, the music that this has is from the movie. It was recorded by Fox. Now, back in those days, 1941, 1942, the music that, bands like Glenn Miller recorded was recorded, directly into wax. And then it was electroplated and stampers were made and records were pressed. But the movie studios did a different method. What they did is they recorded onto optical film, which the primary reason being is that, a record at the time, a 12-inch record would hold about 5 minutes, depending on how it was modulated, and a 10-inch record would have, did I say 10-inch? 12-inch would hold about 5 minutes, and a 10-inch record, gosh, I feel like I'm saying this wrong. Anyway, the smaller records would only hold like 3 minutes. So when you're doing a movie, obviously you can't be bound by those kinds of time constraints. So what do? You have to record on a different type of media. So one of the side effects of that media, it was extremely, extremely high fidelity. And so the best audio quality recordings of the Glenn Miller Civilian Band were made from the movie soundtracks, Fox Studio. And that's what material is in this. Now, this is a very interesting sleeve. I don't know any of these artists. This must be. Do I know any of these people? I don't think I know any of these people. Nope. Oh, the Beatles. Okay, I know the Beatles. The Rolf Harris Show. Joe Loss and his orchestra. Interesting. So it must be because it was an English release. And here's the record. Whoa, look at this label. Oh, this thing is cool. That is really cool. Pressing ring. You guys taught me about that. Oh, that is so neat. Anyway, so the material on here is going to be from the movie. So it's going to be super high fidelity, and I'm really excited to hear it. This record is in really good condition, and it's got a little dust on there, but that washes right off. That's very surface. But I can tell the grooves are in good condition. There's still some polish on there, it looks like, maybe. And this is pretty well taken care of. Actually, very well taken care of record. So that's awesome. How unique is that? Thank you so very much for sending me these. What a surprise. That is crazy. It's like blown away to get these treasures. I love doing this stuff, and it really makes me feel like we're connecting, and I like that. I like the fact that we can connect and share things back and forth and kind of bridge the gap of time and distance. All right, and then finally this just so blown away. So you guys know I've taken a recent interest in Patsy Cline. So I'm overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed. This is a brand new record of Patsy Cline. Signature collection, and one I didn't know existed. On the back here, we got the story of Patsy Cline up on top there. We got some amazing songs, including this one I just discovered the other day, Heartaches. That's an amazing song from her third album. And so a lot of material on here that I'm really excited to listen to. And again, having it be brand new, in this case, a new brand new. It's 2015 release. Look at that, DMM. It's an original direct metal master cutting. That is amazing. 2015 Sound Factory Vinyl Passion. So anyway, you guys perceiving that I'm learning about something like an artist like Patsy Cline and wanting to learn more and hear more, and then investing the time and money. This was from the UK. This came all the way from the UK, all the way across the pond. I'm just blown away. And this person did not indicate who they were. So whoever you are, God bless you. Thank you so very much. Same with the flexi disc. You didn't identify yourself. Whoever you are, thank you so much. And then Avatar, thank you so much for those Glenn Miller records as well. So we're going to open this. I cannot wait. This is going to be great. Learning about the Nashville sound and all of the artists, Jordan Ayers and Floyd Kramer, that were a part of making that happen. It's very exciting. So this is cool. This is so cool. Brand new record. Cool. I love the label. DMM cutting. Oh, I cannot wait to hear this. We'll definitely do a show about this. Oh man, it feels like 180 grams too. Ooh, look at that. Holy cow, look how many songs they modulated onto each side. That's amazing. Look at that. Just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. The polish is just like, it's amazing. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful record. And let's see, is there anything else in there? Sometimes they'll put in something. No, that's all that's in there. That's all you need. So guys, listen, thank you so very much. I'm humbled beyond belief. Hopefully I'm conveying my gratitude. Just look at this. I cannot believe this. I'm so excited to listen to this. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you guys. So anyway, thanks for bearing with me as I ramble on in gratitude here. I'm just so thankful for each and every one of you. Even if the only thing you've ever given me is your time, because that's literally the most important thing. The only thing I ask of you. And so that's going to do it for today. Definitely going to have another show out for you today and some really cool stuff coming down the road. You're not going to want to miss it. Happy record hunting. We will see you tomorrow.